हेलो एवरीवन, वी आर बैक. थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लिया हमने. सॉरी, वीकेंड पे सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं ऑक्यूपाई हो गए थे. स्पेशली पीयूष बहुत ही बिजी था. इफ यू फॉलो हिम ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, आपने देखा होगा पीयूष की स्टोरीज इंस्टाग्राम पे. ही वाज रॉकिंग ऑन द वीकेंड. और India Day have sealed the second test match in Ahmedabad, third test match by 10 wickets. काफी interesting. We wanted to actually give it a little more time before we start this podcast because बहुत सारे reactions आ गए हैं. Some really interesting ones, angry ones. अश्विन ने तो मतलब almost rant किया proper. Um, so we wanted to all talk all about that. Talk ki was it bad batting or a bad wicket or maybe mixture of both. तो हुआ ये कि इंग्लैंड वन द टॉस, देन दे स्टार्टेड टू बैट. द बॉल वाज, I mean, it was not doing like exceptionally बहुत ज़्यादा, but they kept getting out to the one that kept that went on with the arm.
22 wickets on a straight
Yes.
ball.
21.
तो बट
21.
ऑब्वियसली मतलब स्ट्रेट बॉल ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है जब बॉल टर्न हो रहा हो. अक्सर ने अपने होम टाउन पे 6 विकेट्स लिए. फिर इंडिया की बैटिंग आई एंड शुरू हुआ तो वी फेल्ट कि इसमें तो कुछ है नहीं. ये लोग फालतू में इतना जल्दी आउट हो गए. बट देन इंडिया कोलैप्स हुआ एंड वी गॉट बोल्ड आउट क्वाइट चीपली एज वेल. बट रोहित मेड अ वेरी क्रूशियल 60. कितना पिला था पीयूष?
66.
66.
66. रोहित मेड अ वेरी क्रूशियल 66 एंड देन इंग्लैंड की फिर से बैटिंग आई. हम सब बात कर रहे थे कि ऑलमोस्ट मतलब इंडिया की 20-30 रन की भी लीड भी सफिशिएंट होगी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट इट प्रूव टू बी. इंग्लैंड फोल्डेड विद इन 100 एंड इंडिया को बस कुछ 50 रन बनाने थे जीतने के लिए, जो कि इंडिया ने 10 विकेट से बनाए. तो आज हम डिस्कस ये करेंगे एंड we'll start with Falak, who is coming on the podcast for the first time. Welcome, Falak.
Thank
बाकी
you.
तो सब you guys know already. Sarbik promoting Prime Day in another color. Piyush promoting Mumbai Indians players and Pranav talking sensibly. तो
Piyush
ये
is
हमारा
promoting Indian players. Mumbai Indians is always second, you know.
Piyush is someone who thinks Krunal Pandya's form will get him back into Indian team, Indian World T20 team. So
नहीं
Hardik
नहीं.
Hardik Pandya in Test team.
Hardik Pandya in Test team.
फोर्थ टेस्ट में
सूर्य
स्टार्ट कर
कुमार
रहा है हार्दिक. जिम
सूर्य
विम का
कुमार
बहुत स्टोरी डाल रहा है.
सूर्य कुमार की डोमेस्टिक परफॉर्मेंसेस पे पीयूष इज क्वाइट बिकॉज यहाँ पे पृथ्वी शॉ एंड ऑल डबल 100 मार रहे हैं एंड सूर्य कुमार अभी थोड़ा. Anyway, chalo, back to the topic. Let's start with Falak. Falak, what do you think? Bad batting, bad pitch, bad cricket?
I
What was
think
it?
like a lot of experts did tell this key. I think the pitch had its own demons, but it wasn't the greatest of batting from both sides. Like I'm not saying it wasn't just England. I think even when you talk about Indian batting, especially I think after the Kohli wicket, like Kohli's wicket was stupid last over. No need to go for that expansive cut drive in the balls. You know it's gonna come in eventually. So that kind of triggered an entire collapse. And I think the main talking point for me was, Roots Pfeiffer. Like everybody was on and on about that. See, personally, I think
Root
he
himself.
deserved, yeah, like
Hmm.
again, good bowling, no doubt, but I don't think he deserved a Pfeiffer, to be very honest, because you look at the wickets he got. Punch, okay, was good delivery, bad shot, okay, decent wicket. Sundar's
Washington
was
as
an
well.
absolute peach of a ball. I think it was a brilliant delivery, like spun from the middle, hit the top of the off. But I think the next 3 wickets, you look at it, Ashwin just slogged because it was like 8 down. He had to go for it. Akshar was a very stupid wicket, first ball, down the track, trying to be expansive. And the last wicket, Bumrah again, slogging. So again, those last 3 wickets were in 100% merit. It wasn't like he deserved that Pfeiffer. I mean, he deserved that Pfeiffer. It wasn't that, he was made to work extremely hard for it, is what I'm getting at. But credit Root. I think he was bowling at a perfect pace and everything.
Hmm.
As for the England batting wise, I just don't think they're confident. Like it's a mental block they have that they can't
Hmm.
play against spin, especially after Sri Lanka, where the left arm spinner just did them around in both the matches. To be fair,
Embulden, yeah.
yeah. So I just think England need to kind of get out the mental block that they can play spin. They need to score runs off spin. I think they just batting defensively, and they're just getting out eventually. I think Stokes was
Yeah.
brilliant in the second innings because he was trying to, get out of his shell, play those aggressive sweeps, reverse sweeps, just putting pressure on the bowler. So I think that's where Stokes did really well in the second innings. So I think England need to be a lot more positive because they're not going to survive for 1.5 days. I think if it's not a good batting pitch. I think you were bringing this point up in the Australian series. I was against it, but right now I'm kind of I'm going on the same train of thought. Ki you need to get the runs on the board if the Test match isn't going to last a 5 series.
Yeah, I think
so yeah, that would be my point.
बहुत clear. I think one trend that is happening probably because batting quality इतनी अच्छी नहीं रही है is you need to get a lot runs a lot quicker if you want to actually dominate. मतलब पहले के time पे it was more like okay if you survive you have a chance and all that. So chalo, Dashil has also joined us by the way. We'll go to Piyush next, and what I'm going to ask you, Piyush, is not about how well Rohit batted. That's okay. We know that he batted well. What I'm going to ask you about is, so we did this full Test match, biggest complex sporting complex in the world and all of that, and then you make a pitch, whatever said and done, chalo, bad batting, good batting, whatever, you can't finish a Test match in 1.75 days, right? इतना ज़्यादा full क्या कहते हैं जिंग बैंग के साथ गए एंड देन फिर 2 दिन भी नहीं चला टेस्ट मैच. हमारे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स थे जिन्होंने डे 4 और 5 के टिकट्स लिए थे. एंड
अब टिकट की बात कर रहे हैं. मैं तो बैंगलोर पहुंचा, मैंने एयरटेल में रिचार्ज कराया, वाईफाई नहीं था कि मैच देखूंगा. जैसे ही रिचार्ज कराया उसके 3 घंटे में तो मैच खत्म.
भाई मैं अहमदाबाद में ट्रैफिक जाम में फंस गया बिकॉज़ लोग निकल रहे थे. बिकॉज़ मैच खत्म हो गया. आई वाज लिटरली नियर मोटेरा स्टेडियम. आई वाज लाइक अभी तो कोई सीन ही नहीं है, मैच खत्म हो गया, ट्रैफिक जाम में फंस गया मैं.
तो मतलब वही है कि तीसरे दिन की लोगों ने सोचा कि वीकेंड पे डे 4 की टिकट लेंगे, लास्ट डे देखेंगे. सो whatever said and done, chalo, for we can understand कि some of the shots like Falak said were not great, were horrible and whatever. Should a test match, should a pitch that gets a test match to end in less than 2 days is a good advertisement for the game of test cricket?
मैं तो सबसे पहले ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि ये सब जो जैसे अश्विन ने भी बोला और सबने बोला, मेरे को नहीं लगता कि पिच का कोई वो है, पिच खराब है. मतलब जैसे अश्विन ने कल रिएक्ट किया कि हाउ डू यू थिंक अ पिच इज गुड और हाउ डू यू थिंक अ पिच इज बैड. अब वो ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आप 30 विकेट गिर गए 2 दिन में तो पिच खराब है और 2 दिन में रिजल्ट आ गया. पर उसका आप ये देखो कि कितने मतलब बेकार शॉट्स खेले थे. जैसे रूट ने भी बोला और रोहित ने भी बोला कि और मतलब ऑलमोस्ट हर जन ने बोला कि बैटिंग दोनों साइड से ही बहुत बेकार थी. मतलब कि ऐसा नहीं कि इंडिया ने बैटिंग अच्छी की और इंग्लैंड ने अच्छी नहीं की. इंडिया ने भी बैटिंग खराब की, इंग्लैंड ने भी बैटिंग और ज्यादा खराब की. मतलब कि एक वो बैट्समैन, जैसे फलक भी बोल रहा था कि वो एक बैट्समैन के दिमाग में ना वो एक हो गया कि ये टर्न होगा, मेरे को ऐसा खेलना है. पर उतना कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. मतलब आप नॉर्मल अगर कोई क्रिकेट खेलता फ्रंट लाइन में अच्छे से तो वो सही रहता. जैसे आई गेस ग्रैम स्वान भी बाद में बोल रहा था कि वी नेवर, मतलब कि जैसे एक साउथ अफ्रीका में रोहित शर्मा का एक वीडियो सर्कुलेट हो रहा था कि अबाउट द ग्रीन सीमिंग विकेट. उसने ये नहीं बोला कि हमको ऐसा विकेट दिया. विराट कोहली, हाँ विराट कोहली बोला मैंने. विराट कोहली,
रोहित शर्मा बोला था.
ठीक है, विराट कोहली.
अरे पीयूष के लिए कैप्टन्स एंड यू नो ऑल दीस नेम्स आर इंटरचेंजेबल. उसके लिए
पीयूष इज ऑलरेडी ड्रीमिंग कि रोहित कैप्टन बन गया.
नहीं मैंने विराट कोहली वो गलती तो हो गया. पर हाँ वो जो भी है कि सबने बोला कि वी नेवर ब्लेम द पिच. मतलब आप अगर तुम ब्लेम कर रहे हो, अगर पिच कब खराब होगी, जब आईसीसी का भी रूल्स है पिच कब खराब रहेगी और वो सब अगर होता तो अभी तक इतना दिन हो गया कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता. पर ऐसा नहीं था कि पिच खराब है, पिच बैटिंग खराब है. अब पिच को ब्लेम नहीं कर सकते हो. 2 दिन में टेस्ट मैच पहले भी खत्म हुए हैं. न्यूजीलैंड में 2 टेस्ट मैच कितने ओवरऑल 5 दिन में खत्म हुए थे मिला के.
तो आई थिंक less than 2 days is too much honestly. मतलब
अब वो तो रिजल्ट आ गया. अब अनएक्सपेक्टेड थिंग्स they happen. You can't every time hope for everything to be go like 3 दिन 4 दिन.
Like for example, even for example Chennai for that matter, वो भी थोड़ा explode हो रही थी pitch. and it looked actually worse than Motera, although
It was.
It was actually worse. If
It
you
was
look
actually
at the,
worse.
actually,
But-
if you look at the ICC's definitions of pitch ratings,
Mhm.
then Chennai pitch would come closer to poor than Ahmedabad, because Ahmedabad pitch was not turning excessively on day one, and that is one of the biggest criteria. Turning excessive turn or excessive seam movement on
Bounce.
day one counts as a poor pitch. So Ahmedabad pitch may not have been poor in that sense, but maybe for pink ball test they could have, and given that it's the first test at this big venue, they could have you know maybe rolled out a bit of a, like how the Ahmedabad highways are, they could have rolled out a highway at least.
फोर्थ टेस्ट मैच में पर हाईवे बनने वाला है, बोल रहा है जितना बैटिंग करना है करो आप,
But
मतलब
red
जितना
ball,
बैटिंग करना है.
Red ball से तो
अब तो
you know,
WTC में पहुंचने के लिए ड्रॉ ही चाहिए ना, तो अब तो रिस्क नहीं ले सकते हैं.
I
after
don't
the
think we
season,
should take a risk के draw. We should go for the win. Draw का risk नहीं लेना चाहिए.
now it doesn't matter.
Complete your point. हाँ,
Yeah.
Pranav, complete
Yeah,
your
sorry.
point. Sorry.
Yeah, so like see, one is that always that it tends to be कि कोई इंडिया में pitch हो तो ज़्यादा ही it gets highlighted more, but also unfortunately that there have been 5 test matches in India in the last 6 years where pitch has been questionable. The 2 tests which South Africa lost, those were really poor pitches, you have to accept, and even the Pune pitch was very poor. These two were not as bad, but again they were pushing the boundary a bit, And the thing is, we have seen in pink ball tests, when you have to leave either some grass or it has to be rolled, perfectly, so that the ball stays in shape firstly, and also the ball doesn't move excessively. The problem is pink ball, it seems more and spins more also, because it doesn't have as much air resistance because of the lacquer that is put on it. And that's what Joe Root was saying, that the pink ball was coming on quickly, and Akshar Patel anyway bowls 90-kilometer darts, so it was, he became almost unplayable because of that. So pink ball, really, India, if they want to have pink ball tests, have to really reevaluate how they have to go beyond it, because had they just rolled a nice pitch which was flat, it would have gone to 4 or 5 days. So given the spectacle that Motera was supposed to be, it was a bit of a flop. I will agree with Piyush and everyone that batting bhi bahut bura tha. I mean, some of the shots were really bad, but what happens is, when there is doubt because of the pitch or because of the whether the ball will move or not, batsmen tend to get out to a straight ball. So it was a combination of both. I mean, and of course, while two-day test match, hum log as Indian fans, we can troll the English team, but actually it is obviously not good. I mean, at least 4 दिन तक तो test match जाना ही चाहिए.
Yeah, true.
2 and 3-day matches are, not good. And anyway, the calls for 4-day tests have been circulating for the past year. And while Virat Kohli and many others do not support the idea, such tests also, give more fuel to that
Agreed.
concept. So I think it was a kind of a big budget flop, the test match, if you see. So I hope that at least if they're going to play pink ball test, then they put out a flat pitch so that at least चौथे दिन तक तो जाए match. For a red ball test like Chennai, it's okay to put out a square turner, because that at least the ball is not going to cause such havoc. That is actually the main difference, I feel. So that's my point.
Yeah. So, chalo, I'll move to Sarbik, and what we're trying to do is trying to cover different aspects in slightly lesser time. So we lost the first test. The best bowler in our team and our captain came out categorically and criticized the wicket. They said कि ball तो एकदम seam का पता नहीं था क्या हो रहा था and all that. They came and said that. Second test match, things were a little too close for WTC final. So understandable, we made a whatever pitch, right? And then
home conditions, man, we'll make what we want to.
That is what my point is about, right? So we celebrated Australia में अपना win like crazy, right? It was a great high for all of us, but it was possible because the Aussies made wickets that were competitive right till the last innings, right? And that is why we were able to, Sydney may we were able to play out the last day, Brisbane may we were able to achieve an amazing win. So while I understand जो पीयूष अभी बोल के गया and he's so embarrassed कि उसने वो बोला he's gone from the field, तो he's back.
मतलब उसने इतना embarrassed हो गया कि उसने आर्सेनल का UCL फोटो रख लिया, मतलब तो सालों से नहीं हुआ ऐसे.
So my question to Sarbik is, home team and all, advantage and all, perfect, okay. Considering how dominant Indian cricket is in the world today, does it look good for us to make pitches like a Sri Lanka would, or some of the lesser resourceful countries would, to suit test matches at their home, because that is what we have done. We made a pitch that was sort of gave both teams a chance. We lost the toss, we lost that game. We came out complaining a bit about, okay, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं चाहिए था, and then we created two turners, चलो rank turner नहीं बोलते, but two really ordinary wickets from a overall perspective. So as a dominant home side, as a dominant away side, does it show us in a good light to make such wickets to win test matches? What do you think, Sagar?
So we have a few things to look at here. Now, like, did the pitch really get the wickets, or was it the hype about the pitch? So what I observed was the batsmen were playing for the turn, and the ball just kept straightening, and that's what got the wickets. 20 to 22 wickets were of that type exactly. So yeah, I agree that the pitch could have been better, but I don't blame the curators for making a pitch which will help us qualify for the World Test Championship finals. Now, the second part is who are complaining about the pitch. Now, those who are complaining about the pitch are basically the ex-cricketers who need to do it, who need to be in the limelight of controversy to be relevant, actually. So people like Michael Vaughan and people like Yuvraj Singh, who is no more relevant right now. However, he's a legend, I agree. Now we have to see.
Friends of Harbhajan Singh, basically.
Yeah. Harbhajan criticized the wicket also,
indirect
right?
support to farmer protest, ऐसे.
Yes.
Now we have
Harbhajan
to see
also
who
criticized the wicket, right?
Yeah, again an ex-cricketer who has to do it to be in the limelight. Now, who are supporting the pitch? Nathan Lyon came out and said that it's perfectly fine. Then Ashwin.
Jeff Boycott, surprisingly.
Yeah, Jeff Boycott, surprisingly correct. Yeah.
Yeah, Ashwin, Kohli, Root. So the captains who played and the players who played and current cricketers said the pitch was good. Now, from a personal point of view, what I feel is, yeah, the pitch was not the best, but nothing like we can't use that sort of a pitch. It was just the hype that got the wickets. Also, Malay raised a question like, क्या हम ऐसे pitch बना सकते हैं जो बस 2 दिन में match खत्म हो जा रहे? Now the thing is, pitches don't decide the result of the matches. It's the quality of the teams. Now, if you put a club level side like Bombay Gymkhana against India on this sort of a wicket, the match will end in 2 days. Now, England is no better than a Bombay Gymkhana team on these pitches anyway.
That's my point.
It's all dependent on route.
But that's my point. You know that England are, 7 or 8 of England's players are batting for the first time in India, right? So you know that on these pitches, they are not, I agree with you, they're not too good. They'll probably be as good as a Ranji side, or maybe even worse if they're batting on these kind of wickets. So when you know that, then why to prepare a wicket and embarrass them even further? Why not have a fight?
अरे भाई चैरिटी इवेंट नहीं है ना, चैरिटी इवेंट थोड़ी ना है कि सीरीज है.
I think
WTC is online.
ठीक है. Coming back to the original point, what if Australia would have done that? मतलब they could have made really express
no, but
wickets.
Australia.
Well, the issue is Australia cannot prepare such pitches because, as you saw in Melbourne, on a competitive pitch, they got bundled out for 195, so they don't have that control over their own conditions. But जो तुम बोल रहे हो, that is correct. That
yeah, but I think, see, over here I would like to say that if you are preparing a turning track, it's equal game for both, right? I mean, Joe Root picked up a fifer. I mean, it's a different story that he picked up a fifer of lower order batsmen and a top order really fluffed up. I mean, Virat Kohli got out to a ball that should not have been cut. Rohit Sharma was playing a reckless pull. And same goes for English batsmen. You know, Johnny Bairstow tried to sweep the first ball in second innings. Technically, when India got bundled out for 150, England had a chance. If they would have batted sensibly, unlike, they just went for their shots right from first ball, they could have actually made it a much more interesting match. They could have batted for a day and it would have been a much more closer and competitive affair. But England decided to play their sweep shot too much, like they tried to sweep their way out of trouble, and they again fell to Akshar Patel, who bowled immaculately.
So in Bairstow's defense, just a minute. Exactly. I wanted to just interrupt you, sorry.
Yeah.
Although I don't rate Bairstow as a test player, I think it's ridiculous that England sent him home. He was walking his dog in the snow and he comes in hot Ahmedabad and suddenly he's playing against Akshar Patel bowling darts and he has no clue what's going on. He's not even played for a few weeks. He has no idea what to do. I mean, I would blame England's rotation policy of, sending players. I mean, those who are used to playing from Sri Lankan trip to now they've got used to playing on some turners. You should have continued with that flow. I mean, at least for the test matches. The problem is, like Nasser Hussain and Michael Atherton were talking on the Sky podcast, is England have not given this series 100% priority. They are preparing for the T20 World Cup and the Ashes. They are just using this series as, a way of using the rotation policy, and they're not actually don't seem as serious as we thought in the first
I
place.
don't agree so. Those are just excuses. They had a great chance to qualify for the World Test Championship after winning the first test.
Yeah.
And
True.
also,
No,
we
what
all
I-
forget
what I
that
mean is,
England
doesn't-
played 3 seamers on a turning track. I mean,
Yeah.
Yeah,
you
Bad.
come
so
to
I was just
India,
coming to that. Yeah.
you
मैं
come
वही
to
बोल
India,
रहा
if
था.
you don't have 2 spinners, it's pointless.
True, but I mean, the third spinner wouldn't have done anything, or the
Yeah.
other spinner wouldn't have done anything better than what Root
नहीं,
eventually
पर-
did. Anyway.
But second innings में फर्क मालूम पड़ गया ना. My Root was hammered left, right, and center.
But 50 के टारगेट पे तो
अरे वो
obviously
नहीं,
hammer होगा.
अरे but तो तुम Akshar Patel reduced England 0-2. If let's say for example England had a better spinner, I don't know, Dom West or Moeen Ali,
If
and
they
if you would have
don't have
lost
a
let's say
better
Sharma
spinner.
and Pujara in quick succession, India would also be in deep trouble. If let's say in second innings the chase of 50, if India is 0-2 with Sharma and Pujara back in the hut, I am shit scared.
वही, अरे और वो भी है कि रोहित शर्मा ने मैच स्टार्ट होने के पहले 4 दिन पहले उसने बोला कि पिच के लिए जितना रोना रो, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग सेम पिच एज चेन्नई इन अहमदाबाद एज वेल. जब पिच रोल भी नहीं हुई थी, उसके बाद भी उन लोग 3 पेसर खिला रहे हैं, और तुम्हारा जो स्पेशलिस्ट स्पिनर है बेस्ट, भले वो कैसा भी है, अब जैसे रूट 5 ले रहा है तो तुम्हारा स्पेशलाइज्ड स्पिनर है, वो कुछ तो करेगा. वो तो
I had also mentioned this in the podcast before the test that England will make a mistake of 3 seamers because
Yeah,
there are 11
they did.
pitches on the square, and with the pink ball, they, as Michael Vaughan said, maybe they were bowling on pitches that were actually moving and they thought it will move a lot. So they had prepared for this pink ball test thinking that the ball will move a lot, and that's the mistake which they made. Even 2
Yeah.
seamers would have been enough even if there was some help. 2 seamers, 2 spinners would have still been a better combination.
और मेरे को
Pranav
बस
was
एक
spot on with that.
Went overweight on the ball rather than going overweight on the pitch. There was a pink ball. It's just going to move around no matter who the seamer is, and they just play 3 seamers rather
correct.
than looking at
Exactly.
the pitch, which
Yeah.
is the primary factor in any cricket match. And just adding on to that, Malay asked Sarbik, I think that if India doesn't can India not prepare these pitches? I think you're not going to get green tops in India because the climate, the weather, the conditions
true.
of the pitch, they just won't support those pitches. So if it's mostly going to be a flat rolled out pitch which is going to get 600, 500 runs, and that is also not a great spectacle for Test cricket. I feel. I mean, it may be a longer match, but it's not going to be a great spectacle watching. Batsmen just pile on runs after runs, 600, 500. So I just think that there has to be some sort of trade-off. There will be matches where there's going to be flat turners, and the other alternative is like the balance is very hard to find. I think you're only going to find it in pitches like Dharmasena, Dharmashala. Sorry, rather. My bad.
बस. और मेरे को एक और पॉइंट ऐड करना है इसमें, जो बोल रहे थे. अब जैसे बोल रहे थे लोग कि ऑस्ट्रेलिया अगर वैसा विकेट बनाता, मेरे को लगता है कि जैसे इंडिया में हमेशा से ऐसी पिचेस ही बनी है. ऐसा नहीं कि अचानक से हम लोग कुछ अलग टाइप की पिचेस बना रहे हैं या कुछ अलग कर रहे हैं. इंडिया में ऐसी ही पिच, ऐसी क्रिकेट हुआ है. और ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो अपन लोग खेले, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की विकेट्स हमेशा से वैसी ही रही है. वो बात अलग है कि वी आउटप्लेड देम इन ऑल द डिपार्टमेंट्स. वो बात अलग है.
Adding on to Piyush's point, Australia के जो wickets थे, they were criticized. So Sydney का wicket was criticized by Tim Paine, saying it was not as quick as we wanted it. And
was
same
very
for
flat.
Gabba, which was a relayed wicket.
That's what I'm saying.
Brisbane का भी नया
But,
wicket
yeah.
था. They did not plan to make it less competitive. They just had some work on the pitches. It was redone. So it
Those
backfired
were
on
just
them. It
drop-in
was not
pitches.
planned to make it competitive.
हाँ.
But the Sydney pitch has always been very flat. I remember from the 90s till now, I don't remember any Sydney pitch that actually offered anything but runs. So it's always been a flat pitch.
My point of Australian pitches was not Australian pitches in this particular
No, but
series.
you're right. I got
Australian
the point.
pitches have been that traditionally. I mean, unka nature has been, Perth has been really quick. This has been that. They've had, and they don't change that, right? So that was my point. So why I'm saying that is कि अभी तो ऐसा है कि there was one game in which there was a competitive pitch and we lost. There have been 2 games where we prepared rank turners and we won. So I mean that's my problem. I would
नहीं,
want
पहला पिच भी कॉम्पिटिटिव नहीं था. वो तो अपनी बैटिंग खराब थी और अपनी मतलब जो रूट 200 बना लिया एक्सेप्शनल था. ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि
competitive से मेरा मतलब ये था कि
पिच
conditions
वैसी थी.
You are
मतलब
right.
मेरे को
It was
लगा.
it was a dead pitch for a couple of days. That's true, but England made sure that they got the best batting conditions in that match,
And they picked
India,
20 wickets, na?
yeah,
Matlab,
yeah,
they picked
and
20
India
wickets
I
over
think if
also
we
four.
were
won
not
the
at
toss
the
in the
races.
first test, we were
Right.
winning.
True. I agree. Obviously, England were helped massively by winning the toss, but India also had a good time to bat. Matlab, जब India were
Yeah,
batting, the
that's true.
conditions
There's
were
no
not bad.
excuses for that. Pitch is not an excuse
true.
because
Yeah.
16, 17.
That match we had like
we,
at least 5 to 6 people with starts and all through away in the first
Right.
inning.
Correct.
In
So-
Gill,
in
Pujara, Pant.
2016 also
That's
we
what
won
I
on
was
flat
saying.
pitches. 2016 the Chennai pitch where we scored 750. Then the Mumbai pitch also we made 635, and Mohali was a competitive pitch because we got 400, England got 280. But we won on those kind of pitches. So ideally we should have continued that way only. I am not a huge fan of the rank turners myself because again matches will end quickly because today's players,
True.
including our Indian players, are not good against turning spin, against the turning ball when the ball is turning so much. Even against mediocre spinners, they collapse. So
I am a fan. I would like to see Ashwin bowl more. I mean, the way he got Ollie Pope out in both the innings
he
was
can do it even on a
so
flat
beautiful.
pitch, man. He
It
got him
was
out in
so
the first
beautiful.
test also with the carom ball. So Ashwin, I'm not worried about the pitch. He can get wickets irrespective.
Interesting. When is Pujara making the next big 100?
दर्शील कब बना रहा है भाई?
अगर highway है, I mean, to be fair,
Pujara needs
even on a
highways
highway,
now
I
to
think
get a big score. Huh?
नहीं. I
Ahmedabad
mean,
is famous for highways. They don't have a
Yeah.
metro, I guess, right?
I mean, ideally, I would have predicted him to score big in this series only, but I mean, he's been a bit unlucky in the first couple of test matches. He got weird runouts for two weird wickets actually in both of the first test matches, and in this time he just got one innings. Probably he's due for a big one. I think both him and Virat Kohli, I mean, both of them are due for big ones, and they have not been. You wouldn't call them going through a lean run because they've been getting 50s. Like they've been
कोहली
like
का 2
not.
मैच से हम बोल रहे हैं
It's like everyone's jinxed him now.
Yeah, it's just
Pujara,
weird.
Kohli,
Like
dono
these
ka.
guys are known for making daddy hundreds, and somehow they've been like throwing away their wickets in the 70s and 60s. So hopefully this match is the one where they kind of shine through. I am genuinely hoping that more than Pujara and Kohli are pretty much secure. I want Gill to score 100. I think he's special. And at the start of your career, if you score some hundreds, you do. I mean, he got baptized by fire in Australia. And he came out, fine. And then same thing happened with Mayank. And then Mayank came to India and then scored 2 to 3 big hundreds, which has now kind of put him as a permanent fixture in the squad. I think Gill needs that. Gill should have at least a couple of hundreds so that when the bad patch hits every player, I think he has hundreds to show for it.
Interesting.
More than anyone else.
Yeah. So a renowned journalist compared Kohli's average from Jan 2020 to Alzari Joseph's average, right? So, yeah.
We should not give him so much attention. He gets anyway far too much from Indian trolls on Twitter. We should not really give him much importance.
Yeah, it's been tough for Virat Kohli. I hope he does well. Obviously
We're
now
talking about Daniel Alexander.
Yeah, we're talking about.
वो तो क्या सेल्फ ट्रोल आदमी है वो, छोड़ो.
He's a rival of
Kohli's
Pranav,
batted badly. I just think he's got out in ways I don't expect him to get out, like very.
That's what we discussed last time podcast पे भी also. I mean ऐसा नहीं होता कि Kohli is it looks like something is off, but it's still every time.
I guess like when you're in a bad run, you find ways to get out. I mean, it just happens to every batsman.
Maybe he needs to accept it's a bad run first. I don't think he accepts that.
Maybe that's.
He should WhatsApp Malay and say, "Yeah, I'm going for a bad run."
You should not WhatsApp me, obviously, but I get that vibe. I don't.
But ठीक है, रोहित शर्मा कैरी करते रहेगा, saving विराट कोहली job.
I don't get that feeling that he's actually assessed and realized how bad he's been for the past 1 year.
RCB fans looking forward to the next IPL.
Chalo, we'll wrap this up now. Last 5 minutes, and what we'll do is we'll take predictions. Predictions for the 4th test. Pitch को बोल रहे हैं कि road बनाएंगे.
Flat pitch, yeah.
अब हमें जीतना नहीं है तो अब हम risk नहीं लेंगे. It's very negative, man. Come on. I mean, if you're the most dominant side, the most rich
कोई negative
board,
नहीं है भाई.
The most rich board, the best domestic structure, the best franchise tournament.
It's an overreaction to the previous pitch. That's all.
And still you have to resort to these tactics कि भाई अब win नहीं चाहिए तो flat बना दिया, win चाहिए थी तो turn किया. And
अरे होम कंडीशन
Anyway,
किसको
चलो
बोलते
हाँ,
हैं?
let's start. We'll start with Falak again. Falak, what do you think will happen in the fourth test?
Mention your team changes as well.
I
What you are
still
expecting?
think India.
Hmm.
Yeah, I mean, I'm hearing a lot that Umesh comes in, Kuldeep comes in for Sundar and Bumrah, but I think we'll win it. I hope we win the toss and bat first, and I think we'll win the test. Is what I think. Keeping it very short, and I'm hoping again, like fingers crossed, Kohli or Pujara get the big daddy turn that Darshil was talking about.
चलो, Darshil, we haven't.
Yeah. So I would like to see Mayank Agarwal bat. I mean, I don't really see if Akshar and Ashwin both are bowling. I don't see Kuldeep getting a chance to bowl. I don't think Kohli will use him.
But how does
I
Mayank
think-
come in? I mean,
why?
Why?
See, Washington Sundar say picking him as a bowler and expecting him to deliver as a batsman is unfair on him, right? Let's look at alternatives. Kuldeep Yadav again, he'll be not bowling as much.
But then Kuldeep was promised that
I am
his
selecting
time will
purely
come in
Mayank on
India.
the basis that he is a better fielder among all three of them. So
What I'm saying is
he-
Kuldeep was promised his time will come
He
in
was
India.
not promised. It was just a statement on the public media by Bharat Arun. He did not say, I'm promising Kuldeep will play all tests.
Obviously, his time would come in India. What does that mean? मतलब कि will
मिला
he
ना,
be in
एक
India?
गेम मिला.
He
ये
means
था
he
कि
will do well in India.
You will get a chance to carry drinks in India
No,
also.
I
Your
don't
time will come
mind.
there
I'm
also.
saying, see, I mean, I'm not saying don't bring in Kuldeep. I'm saying that, I mean, we
Now
are
it
literally
makes
putting
no
a fielder
sense
in that spot.
because
We are
it
neither
makes no
using their
sense
batting nor their
even-
bowling.
Correct. Then
So use Mayank.
yeah. Then ask
Darshil, go
Kuldeep.
on to your prediction. I think we should.
Yeah, but just to
Yeah, I
finish that.
think we should we'll win this one. I definitely. Predictions again. Big hundreds for Gill and Kohli this time.
Oh no, Pujara.
I've been saying it twice. I don't think it's happening. So probably the next series. I'm
थक
not
गया
this
हूँ
one.
bro.
Then I mean, just to finish on that point, कि अगर ऐसा है, then let Kuldeep go and play Vijay Hazare. I mean,
Right.
let him
Fair enough. I
try
think he
to
should.
prove himself. अभी तो carrying drinks.
यूपी
जा
एलिमिनेट
सकता
हो
है.
गया ना.
पर उसका टीम गया ना शायद.
अरे कुछ गेम खेल के eliminate हुआ ना bro. He would have
यूपी
proved
एलिमिनेट हो
himself
गया.
at that
क्या
time.
I mean, we can just to make it fair, we can rest
Just
Ashwin.
play
I mean, just like
अरे ठाकुर ने
can play
खुद बोल के
Kuldeep
गया
over
ना.
Ashwin.
वो कुलदीप भी बोल के जा सकता था. ठाकुर told that I want to go play because यहाँ पर मेरा चांस नहीं है, तो ठाकुर गया ट्रैवल करके और वो
हाँ, but
खेला.
ठाकुर का chance और Kuldeep was told ना your time will come in India.
Yeah,
Thakur
so
wasn't told.
I think we're going off track. We should
हाँ,
just.
चलो
stick
let's
to
go
the
back to
prediction.
prediction. Sorry, Pranav.
Yeah, I think India will again win comfortably, even if it's a road which we are hearing. I think the two tests have put enough demons in the English batsman's mind, and I think Akshar and Ashwin again will run riot. But even if not them, Umesh Yadav, the king of flat pitches in India, his skiddy bowling will also do the job. I just hope that we win the toss and Rohit, Gill, and Kohli, all of them score big, and hopefully Pujara. The top four should score big so that the rest don't have to do anything, and then we can bowl them out twice and win by an innings. I want this to happen, just to pile on the
Yeah.
misery.
I mean, it's never reassuring that you have to leave the scoring to Rahane, at least in India.
Yeah.
No, anyway.
Let him come to bat when it's 400 for 3. Then it's okay.
Yeah.
He can
Yeah, I
do
think
what he likes.
with Rane, it's easier to predict when it's been 12 or 14 innings where he's failed. Then you can probably expect a good innings from him.
Yeah.
So I'll take my predictions and then we'll go to Sarbig and Piyush. So my prediction obviously is India winning again. It's going to be a run fest, I guess. India probably going to bat first. If they're not going to bat first, then they're going to bat second. England are mentally almost out, I guess. Why I say that is because Jofra Archer was bowling 130, man. It was sad to see someone. We've all been waiting for कि चलो pink ball आएगा, Jofra आएगा, and all that. It was just sad to see. I think they've given up. I'll keep it short. We'll go to Piyush first. We'll end with Sarbig.
तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेरे को जो लगता है चेंजेस होंगे वो शायद बुमराह जैसे फोर्थ टेस्ट में है नहीं, तो उमेश यादव कम्स इन फॉर जसप्रीत बुमराह और मे बी सिराज माइट आल्सो कम. आई एम नॉट श्योर एनीवन बिटवीन देम. और उसके अलावा मेरे को लगता है कि अगर विकेट थोड़ा फ्लैट हुआ तो वॉशिंगटन सुंदर के बदले अपन लोग एक बैट्समैन ला सकते हैं. मेरे ख्याल से मयंक अग्रवाल या हार्दिक पांड्या में से एक को चांस मिलेगा.
हार्दिक पांड्या.
मैं आई एम एक्साइटेड टू वॉच हार्दिक बिकॉज अगर वो, क्योंकि अभी वो ट्रेनिंग सेशन और का फोटो डाला था, पता नहीं, मेरे को एक्साइटमेंट है. अगर वो बोले bowling
Field the
कर
ball
He's
before
preparing
two
for the
hits twice,
T20.
ना?
He's
चलेगा,
preparing for the
मैं-
T20.
अरे नहीं, पर मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, अगर वो bowling कर रहा है तो not a bad option. और अगर टर्नर नहीं है, ऐसे भी हार्दिक is a good improved batsman. पर मयंक अग्रवाल, I would prefer him to get a chance over
I
Hardik
think
Pandya.
Hardik Pandya, I think whips everyone because I think he's the best fielder. हम literally एक fielder ले रहे हैं टीम में, वो उसका कोई और रोल नहीं होने वाला है at that spot.
नहीं तो मैं
He can
मयंक
play
को
as a
पहला
fielder
प्रेफरेंस
in
दे
the
रहा हूँ.
team. He can play as a fielder in the team.
हाँ चलेगा, पर वो ठीक है. और इंडिया विन, इंडिया ड्रॉ या इंडिया विन प्रिडिक्शन.
ड्रॉ
और
तो बहुत दूर लग रहा है. I mean,
रोहित
unless,
शर्मा
like,
डबल सेंचुरी.
Why
ट्रिपल
double?
बोलता यार, तब
triple,
फन आता भाई.
triple.
बहुत टाइम से
If it's
ट्रिपल
a-
सेंचुरियन आया नहीं है.
नहीं,
ट्रिपल बोलना था.
डबल में खुश हूँ मैं.
ट्रिपल तो मार ही सकते हैं.
नहीं, आजकल रोहित उल्टा खेलता है, फ्लैट में अच्छा नहीं खेलता, डिफिकल्ट पिचेस में ज्यादा अच्छा खेलता है. पर ठीक है, लेट्स सी. आई एम होपिंग फॉर डबल सेंचुरी.
that is for only India, by the way. Overseas, it's consistent. Everywhere, it's not. Chalo, Sarvik, we'll finish off with you.
Yeah, hearing Piyush, it seems like we are putting out more like our personal desires over predictions. So I'll also
Yeah.
put out my personal desires. So Riddhiman Saha in for Washington Sundar.
Oh, let's get back to
नीतीश राणा
actual-
बहुत पुजारा कर देता है फिर तो.
Sheldon Jackson for Ajinkya Rahane.
So on a
I wouldn't
serious
mind
note,
that.
it will be Yadav in for Bumrah and Sundar out Kuldeep in, maybe just to give Kuldeep a chance, and hundreds for Rohit, Kohli and Pujara.
England के साइड से कोई कुछ
लास्ट
करेगा
कब हुआ
कि-
था? I don't think it's been a while ना since all three of them scored 100 in the same match. बहुत rare हो गया ना.
Yeah, I
बहुत
think
rare.
India is
Yeah.
scoring more than 600 in the first
Rohit
innings,
doesn't
and then
play
we'll win.
test often, so
For England, I think they should drop Ollie Pope. Like he's useless. They should get someone in.
Who
है
can they
कौन?
get? Who
He's
can they get
batting
who's
like-
better than him?
Who can?
मतलब
He's batting like how Ian Bell used to bat in the subcontinent, and they say he's another Ian Bell. So he's fulfilling that legacy.
Ideally they should drop Best also, but he just played one match, so they won't do that. So
they
Ollie
dropped
Pope
Rory
out.
Burns though.
I would want to see Ollie Pope bat and give his wicket to Ashwin. I want to see how Ashwin bowls
Ollie
in this
Pope
time.
out, Burns in. Burns opens with Sibley and Bairstow drops down the middle order.
Yeah, there he at least may not get a pair.
पर अभी इंग्लैंड का
Fair
रोटेशन में
so.
कौन गया? अब किसको रेस्ट मिल रहा है फोर्थ टेस्ट में?
थर्ड टेस्ट में सबको रेस्ट ही मिला था, मतलब I don't think
We'll know on
Anderson,
we'll
Broad and
know on
Arsenal are
Thursday.
well rested only.
Last
We'll
test
know on
they
Thursday.
rested their brains by playing 3 faces.
भाई पता चला इंग्लैंड हरा दी भाई सब.
तो फिर तो
वो नहीं होगा.
We can expect that. After all, we're playing at the Modi Stadium, so can happen.
Right.
ये
You
देखो.
never know.
Nice.
That would be the worst possible outcome. I mean, then we'd have to hide our heads in shame.
You won't. You are a Rahul Gandhi fan.
No, but I mean, Team India fan. I mean, not making World Test
Yeah.
Championship final will be worse.
Yes, yes.
Chalo, a draw or a win takes us to the WTC final. A
Let's
loss will eliminate us from the WTC and take Australia to the WTC
and
final.
cement Virat's legacy of knockouts in ICC tournaments.
A draw will give Australia the World Test
So I think
Championship.
the reason why we'll make to the WTC final is because most of this WTC has been played under the name of Paytm Trophy, Gillette Trophy, Dettol Trophy. Those are where Virat does well. So I don't think ICC wala itna matter karta hai. I think final mein when it's actually ICC it will show.
It shows
Gold
Malay
ke
is
saamne
angry.
0 for 3, 0 for
Malay
2.
is just angry on Paytm and Dettol and everything. He wants Vyapar to sponsor the series. I get it.
नहीं I just want Virat Kohli to win us a actual international trophy. That's all.
होगा जरूर होगा.
चलो
No.
हाँ. Anyone wants to make any closing statements or we'll just
लाइक शेयर और
Like, share, and
Subscribe.
subscribe, please.
नहीं वो तो मैं बोलने वाला था बट चलो if you guys
नहीं तेरा
Anyway,
काम
guys,
हम लोग कर देते हैं.
wherever
I
you
think
are-
just closing statement में please we should not have Samshuddin as any sort of umpire in any test match.
और ये पूछना है कि लास्ट वीडियो में डिसलाइक कौन किया था भाई? क्या प्रॉब्लम था लास्ट वीडियो से?
कमेंट करके बताओ यार if you if you don't if you dislike it कमेंट करके बताओ.
पीयूष रो रहा था यार.
हाँ पीयूष was not
We
happy.
need
अरे
to
आई थिंक मेरे को
get
मिस
rid
कर रहे थे
of,
इन लोग. मेरे को लग रहा है मेरे को
neutral
मिस कर रहे
umpires,
थे.
that's all.
Maybe.
I mean we need neutral umpires. We need to get rid of. I mean, O.A. Menon is affecting us. That O.A. Menon was a brilliant master stroke by Virat Kohli.
Yeah.
in the second test match hampered us throughout.
I mean, when players can travel, surely umpires can. I mean, ICC
Obviously,
is
it's a
trying to save
stupid
money.
thing
It's a stupid thing to do.
have, and it's embarrassing. I mean, because it just brings to the fore of how poor the umpiring standard in the country is. So
But overall, I think
we have not reached that stage,
umpiring
but
has
we
been
were
still
approaching
quite
that
good.
Steve Buckner 2008 series levels of umpiring. That horrible. to say,
Nobody
but-
can reach that. I mean, that was sacrilege.
Steve
Scandalous.
Buckner and Mark Benson.
Mark Benson.
अलीमदार को ले आओ, सही है, बेस्ट है.
अरे
अलीमदार
भाई वो
PSL
तो
में कर रहा है.
वो तो
चलो
एंटी
नोट अबाउट PSL चल रही है.
And we don't give a damn about PSL. I don't give.
So it's cricket after all.
उससे अच्छा मैं रायपुर में मेरे बाजू में घर में
Yeah.
T20 क्रिकेट
I
चल रहा है,
would
रायपुर
only
क्रिकेट
like to
लीग.
say that happy birthday to Shahid Afridi, the guy who does not know how old he is. But
Actually, yeah. So actually, some
It's
records have been
yeah.
altered because Shahid Afridi in his tweet said that he has turned 44 and not 41. So which means that the record
youngest
that guy
century,
had,
yeah.
he's the youngest to get the fastest century and or whatever जो भी record था उसका, that is
gone.
now given to someone else
Yeah.
because Afridi was actually older at that time.
And
He's the
autobiography,
failure of
he
cricket
said-
in the terms
yeah.
that he'll do anything to keep his record intact. अभी मालूम पड़ा अगला बर्थडे वो बोल रहा है 36 years का हुआ है.
See, look,
Unreal.
Afridi is 16 at heart and 16 months by brain. Just remember that.
And he's 0 by runs.
And 16 seconds on the pitch. 16
Afridi
seconds
for
on
a
the pitch.
reason.
ठीक है, चलो on that
चलो.
note, let's hope we win or we draw. I think we're going to win, and we will see you guys after the first test, day 1 के बाद hopefully to review that. And thanks everyone for watching. Where you watching this? जो भी आप कर सकते हो algorithm को इसको ऊपर लाने के लिए please do that. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and tell us how you like it. If you don't like it, then also tell us.
Tell us a few topics if you want to cover any topics.
Yeah,
If you
yeah. If you think we want to cover, you want us to cover something, let's do that.
Hashtag Congrats Piyush. Goodbye.
Hashtag Piyush OP. Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.
You guys.